Lederle rewind tables are the most productive and reliable machines in the market today, with tables still operating after 30 years. All tables are constructed with heavy gauge steel frames and high quality stainless steel tops. Together, they have proven their reliability. When your customers demand rolls in specified widths and counts, you need a rewind table. This will allow you to use your valuable press time to increase productivity and easily meet the production deadlines that customers demand. We offer two different size rewinders, the 7200 series and the 7300 series. The table we are demonstrating today is the 7300 series. This is our largest and top-of-the-line rewinder. The unit has an unwind capacity of 30 inches and a rewind capacity of 24. Our smaller 7200 series has the unwind capacity of 24 inches and a rewind capacity of 18 inches. To start the table, simply flip on the power switch under the table. The power requirements for both tables are only 110 volts. As long as you have a 110 volt outlet, it's as simple as plugging in a hairdryer. The optional 220 volt is available for both the 7200 and the 7300 series table. The unit takes the 110 incoming volts and converts them to 220 three-phase volts at the motor. This makes the 1 1/2 horsepower motor more reliable and provides more speed and torque. Another benefit is that it's an AC control motor with a PLC controller. For safety and to increase productivity, both tables come standard with 3-inch quick-change air core holders on both the rewind and unwind side. No more lifting heavy rolls up and over air core holders. All the operator has to do is a quick turn of the knob to remove the core holder. Then slide the heavy roll over the hole. Reinsert the core holder. Screw down the knob to lock it in place and flip the air switch. Tables come standard with 3-inch air core holders and offer anywhere from as small as 3/4 inch to 6-inch air core holders. All tables come with a simple, easy-to-program HMI touchscreen. The user can select English or Spanish to set control features, such as count stop, count length or label mode, count up or count down mode, hand or foot operation, and forward or reverse. Our first screen displays our count and reset. The second screen gives us the modes for different setups. Tables count either incrementally by 10 inches or 12 inches, or by individual label count. Individual label counting allows for accurate roll label counts that work more efficiently and save money. We can set up the table to run with either the foot pedal or in the hand operation mode. We can run the spindle in either forward or reverse. So if the operator wants to run labels facing in, they have the option to run it in reverse to have the spindle turn to roll up the labels on the inside. Our next screen brings us to our pre-count stop, which in this display we have set at 150, and our slowdown count, which is 130. When the table reaches the count of 130, it will slow down to 25% of its speed until it reaches the actual stop count of 150. When operating in the hand mode, our control panel underneath the tabletop has a potentiometer speed control knob. There is a start-stop button that also serves as a reset button and an emergency stop to cut the power in case there is a problem. To start the table, simply press the start button. Press the button again to stop, and press the button again to start. Once the table has reached its stop count, now the start-stop button becomes a reset button to reset the counter back to 0. Now the button becomes the start switch to start the table again. For demonstration purposes, we'll go back to the setup, and this time set the operation to the foot pedal. With the foot pedal, the start-stop button in this mode is only a reset button. The operator uses this button to reset count, or at any time, can use the reset count button up on the screen. The foot pedal is similar to the gas pedal in your car. The more you depress the pedal, the faster the table will run. Let off the pedal and the table will stop. The operator can now reach down and reset the count to 0 with an option of hitting either reset button and start operation again. One of the many options available on all of our tables is a strobe light. The strobe light feature gives a standstill effect as the labels are coming around in a fast motion to help the operator detect any missing or misprinted labels. The operator can then stop the table, flag the problem, and continue on with the count and operation. We offer an easy-to-use slitter attachment for cutting rolls quickly and easily as you count and rewind labels. We also offer an upgraded individual label counter that counts clear-on-clear labels as well as standard die-cut labels. The standard PLC assists in the easy integration of added components like inkjet printers, barcode printers, and video inspection units.